we are not going to talk the topic that we had earlier because this is for Donald Trump. It's okay to you, Mama, and to you.
Can I repeat the date again? October 19, 2024, Saturday, 5:10 p.m. Thank you, God.
Okay, today is for Donald Trump. At this moment, Donald Trump and Harris are in demand. Demand for their brain to clean which way they gonna go. The devil has so many of you devils. I'm gonna distract all of you at this time. Harris is a winner. It's not from me. Harris is a serpent. You want the serpent to win? And I'm gonna make this world to be a hell. You want Harris to win, the big liar? And she's gonna lie and lie and lie. There's nothing for me to change. Now, today I give it to Donald Trump. Donald Trump, I wanna talk to you. I wanna give you everything. I'm gonna tell you what to do. And I'm gonna help you. Donald Trump is not an easy election. This is one of the worst in century in America. Many devils are out. Billions of devils in this. We don't have billions yet in America, but around the world. Hooray! Who's gonna be the winner in America? I'm gonna tell you what is the issue. Issue for everything. Issue for everything. The devil wants to know. They are winning. They are winning. They are winning. Of course not. I am God the Father in heaven. I'm doing this for Donald Trump. Harris, I am telling you, the lies that you're giving to people, they're buying it. Buying the liar, the serpent. I don't want this. What do you like? Do you like a game? Do you like a show? Do you like a real election? You have to know. There is no more time for me to hear or you're lying. Lying to people. Lying to the people. lying to the good words, but nothing, the truth is not there. I am God the Father in heaven. Donald Trump, I want you to come over here and I'm gonna talk to you. I wanna hear from you what is going on at this time. What is the things that you're gonna say? What is the things that you are feeling? And I'm gonna tell you. Donald Trump, come on over here. Donald Trump. Donald Trump. I am Donald Trump. Many jokes they hear from me, but reality, nobody wants to buy it. Many things I said, but nobody wants to get it. Many things I said, nobody wants to hear it. Many things I said, prediction, I am telling them. They don't want to hear it. I am with my family. They love me. They're fighting for it. They're crying for it. And I told them, I will be the president. And they said, yes, you will. My family said it. I'm going around for 48 days. God the Father, I never take a break. I sleep, very simple sleep. I understand you saved my life. And I know that I am gonna go on. Fight for it. I love America. And I love the people, but I don't know. They don't get me right. I am Donald Trump. And I'm begging for all of you, the people in America, to hear what I'm gonna say. I am begging for you that all Kamala Harris is talking are all lies. I am begging for you, all in America, to listen. Because I have that kind of words in my head, in my heart. Do listen. I will be the President of the United States. Many people wants to hear it, but a lot of people don't like to hear it. I am Donald Trump. I want this America back again. I want America back again. I want this United States of America to get back to the reality of being an American. I always thank you, God the Father. You know what I mean. I cried, but nobody can see me. But I know that you're seeing me every day. You saved my life, and I thank you. And I thank you, and I always thank you. God the Father is here. Donald Trump, I am God the Father in heaven. Jesus is my son. I want you to know, today, I am calling all these angels around the world to come and listen to what I'm gonna say. Are you all here? All angels, especially in the whole United States, please come over here. And I want the United States to vote for Donald Trump. All of you, independent, especially the people are voting that they don't have the reality of it, vote for Donald Trump. God the Father is begging. God the Father is looking. God the Father is asking for all of you people in the United States, vote to the people of good heart, good mind. Serve the word Donald Trump to your ballot. Donald Trump is the president I want. I love Donald Trump because he got a good heart. The devil don't have to burn this man. Kamala Harris and the group is ready to burn in hell. I am the one that's gonna burn all of them. Angel, are you here listening to me? Come on, all of you. Start going to every state. And let the word Donald Trump to be in the paper. The reality of the paper. Donald Trump is the president I choose. And he will be the president. All the United States is listening. God the Father is begging and asking. Donald Trump is the president. Donald Trump is the president. Donald Trump is the president, and that's all I want. Thank you, Elon Musk, for doing this. Thank you, R.F. Kennedy, for helping Donald Trump. All these Republicans, I want them to know I'm gonna get most of you to win. That all the Republicans, I'm getting them for all them to win, but I know there's a lot of Democrats fighting for it. Donald Trump is the only one I want, and I want him to be the president. This is God the Father in heaven, and that's all I want. Are you listening, all angels? Go and start moving. For how many days now? Get the people to vote for this man. All angels to go to all the independent. The people that's gonna vote for him has to vote for him. There's no more changes. No more election that's gonna make fraud in this. Go around. Start doing it now. This is God the Father in heaven. Is it true? Okay, I'm listening. Okay. A lot of states are red now. Okay. Start now. What else did you hear? What else did you see? Okay. The devil places, leave them alone. But the people who are from God are writing Donald Trump. People from me. I want all of you to vote for Donald Trump. I thank you from God the Father, the whole angels around. Thank them and let them to hear what I said. Okay? Donald Trump, there's nothing to worry. There's nothing to worry. There's nothing to worry. Carmelita's vote is for you. And that's the most important thing. I thank all of the people who vote for you to be the president. Okay. I'm gonna go now. No more question. I don't want having things to ask anymore. You understand? No more question from me. This day is supposed to be for him, but too long. You started, I will finish. The answer is in your heart. You understand? Okay. So now, how many more weeks? It didn't even turn on this.